Mason, where are you going? He crawled all the way up there. Look at him. Where you going? You better be careful up there by yourself. Look at him. Climbing right up the fucking stairs, this kid. You are a crazy kid. Where you going? You gonna go right up the stairs? Oh, you think so? What you doing? You got 3 more stairs. There you go. Ah, you're silly. You got 2 more stairs and you're gonna make it. No, don't try and do 2 at a time. There you go. Look at you. He made it all the way up to the top. You hear me? He's all the way at the top. You just made it to the top. Let's see if he... Yep, he's gone. He's in the bathroom almost. Mason, where you going? There he is! Hey, where you going? Your room? Uh-oh, look who I seen. You made it all the way up the stairs by yourself. Now you gonna go in the bathroom? Hey, that's my big boy. You just climbed all the way up these stairs all by yourself. That's not good. We're gonna be in trouble, huh? Look how long them stairs are. Look how big them stairs are. You just climbed all the way up. All by yourself. All by yourself. You're such a big boy.